Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make use of your edge panel to quickly perform any kind of task on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. And in this case, I'm using Samsung S10 Plus, which should pretty much work on any S10 series and also any device above Samsung S8. Alright, so all you need to do, you just need to swipe from the right and then you'll be able to access all those edge panel options as you can see over there. So right now I have my favorite apps. These are my my tasks that I can easily perform. All those can be included on your edge panel. How can you do that? So all you need to do, you need to tap on this settings icon, tap on that settings icon, and once you tap on the settings icon, you have all those options. So any that you want to include, you can include apps, tasks, to-do list, live messages, and all of those. You can go ahead and select all those that you want, as you can see. And once you're done, you can go ahead and exit and then swipe, as you can see, and then you bring up whatever you want. Let me say maybe you want to access your calendar, so tap on calendar. As you can see, you swipe back. You need to access maybe your messages, tap on messages. So pretty much it helps you to quickly access any kind of task that you want to perform without going into the app drawer and then access that particular app. Let me say you want to take a screenshot, tap on take a screenshot, immediately takes a screenshot. So let me say you want to maybe edit this, go ahead and tap on edit, and then maybe you want to remove any of these. I want to remove alarm, and then I want to include my timer, so I just do like that and I will have my timer in there, and then I'll just exit. And then the other interesting thing about this, go ahead and tap on the settings and then tap on Galaxy Store. Let me say maybe you want to include something in your edge panel but it's not among these right here. So all you need to do, tap on Galaxy Store, and then once you tap on Galaxy Store, you have any of those apps, as you can see, and they can easily work on your edge panel. And we have those that are paid, we have those that are free, and those that are new. So let me say maybe you want those that are free. You tap on top free, and then as you can see, you can go ahead and tap on voice recorder panel. You can tap on calendar widget edge panel. So pretty much any that you want. So let me say maybe I want to install this one right here, maybe voice recorder. You tap on it and then you tap on install. Go ahead and open it up, and there you go. So your voice recorder that has been installed is right here. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and are able to make use of your edge panel to perform any tasks quicker, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, share the video, and if you're new to our YouTube channel, make it a point to subscribe, tap the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I release new content like this. Thanks for watching. Catch you in my next one. Bye bye.